Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Marvellous Marble first anniversary collaboration. Our theme, we're going back to black and white. I've already got on Latex Formula 2 as my base coat. I'll be using Drip Drop. This is Tidy Whities. I'm going to use this as my base coat, and it'll also be in my water marble here in just a little bit. And it's been a while since I've used this one. So I'm I'm trying to get used to the brush too, so I'm having trouble getting enough polish on the brush without flooding my cuticles. It's, gonna be either one way or the other. Now I'm not looking for a really perfect coat of white right now. I just want something under there for when I do the water marble. And this one's a pretty good one. It could be a one coater. If you paint it carefully, it can definitely be a one coater. I am taking a moment to do a little bit of cleanup because once I water marble, we're going to be following the line of what was already painted. And I am topping these with I&Ms out the door to get it to dry down. Going to get it to dry and get on into the water marbling. Drip Drop nail paint, and this is Tidy Whities again. And then the Drip Drop nail paint in the shade Yoga Pants. I am going to use the tape and latex protection today. Use a little piece and wrap it around the tip. Mush it down. Make sure it's on there pretty good. Mush it flat so it's not in my way. And then I'll be using Adored Colors. And this is Protect Me, her Latex Barrier. And I love this stuff. I really do. It works really well. And for the most part, it comes up clean. I've got a cup of room temperature regular old water. I'm putting my first drop in. I run my toothpick around the edge of the cup to spread the polish all the way out to the edge where it can anchor. And then we're just going to do drops of the colors as we go. Do a black and then a white and a white and a black. And get my little bullseye built up here. And I will admit that this is not my best water marble manicure ever. I had some bubbling. I had some, like, bleeding or shading or whatever. So we're just going to roll with it anyway. So we're drawing from one side to the other. And then I'm going to go back and forth and do the zigzag, like, chevron-looking pattern in the water. I do wipe my toothpick off between almost every swipe. Sometimes every swipe, sometimes every other swipe. Now I've got two nails ready to dip. I've already done the other one. Sorry, my hand is all up in your face, but it's a tough position. I'm trying to figure out how to get my dip down. Gonna lay them in, dip them in, and then I'm gonna hold the cup between my fingers and my thumb and get this excess cleaned up off of the top of the water. Because if you don't do this, when you go to pull your fingers out, you're going to get layers of other stuff on your design. Slowly remove. I run a toothpick around the edges of my nail to kind of break the seal of the polish. And there we go. Now I'm going to get my little tweezers out and we're going to get these tapes and latex off of my fingers. Comes off pretty good. Love it, love it. There we go. I'm going to do some cleanup with a Q-tip. I like to use a Q-tip for the big stuff and up under the edge of my nails. Any, nail that's sticking out past the tip of my finger. I just find that easier to do with a Q-tip. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and start cleaning up this little bit of mess we got going on. It's not too bad. Not too bad of a mess. The latex and the tape really helps with that. Sorry for the noise. The phone is in the room with me. But we get our cleanup done. And this really, like I said, it wasn't too bad of cleanup. Because, we used some protection and minimized what we have to clean up with the brush. And I really do like that. All right, so here we go. I'm going to be topping these with the Posh top coat, and this is where the bubbles pop and this little bit of smearing happens, but I'm okay with it because it still looks like a pretty good manicure to me. And before I forget, I will have a link of the other participants down in the description box, along with some hashtags if you want to go check those other manicures out for this one. And here we go. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.